Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Lantronix 500 local manager and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this, not connecting, or if it seems to be glitching or lagging or not detected, stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up as a new device somewhere, we can go ahead and wipe everything off it. It's quite simple. All we need to do is go ahead and shut it down. It needs to have power to it, but it should be shut down. So we can either shut it down using the shut down command or just pressing the power button. Now once the power button is off, we're going to come in and we're going to find the multifunction button, which is this button with the check mark on it. We're just going to press and hold this multifunction button, and then while we're pressing and holding it, we're just going to go ahead and press and release the power button to turn it on. And from there you'll see that the status LED will change from being off to being slow blinking to then being fast blinking. And once you see that indicator light blinking fast, then you can go ahead and release the multifunction button, and then the reset will begin. So during that process, the LED will change back to a slow blink, and then it'll just stay like in that slow blink until the factory reset is complete, at which point you can set this up as a new device.